Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of no sounds on YouTube video on Windows 11. So we will fix it today. So in step 1, you have to just go to your speaker and check the speaker volume. So here it is on 85. So it will be fine. If it is at lower level, so kindly move it to the higher level. So it will be working fine. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to just type here in search bar this command smd wall. Here it is. You have to just open this command, and in this command you have to go to the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you have to take this volume at the higher stage. If it is lower, so kindly make it to the higher level. So by doing this, your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, so you have to go to the that specific video that causes such type of issue. In this video, as you can see here, it is the volume button is unmute. As you can see, it is mute basically. So you have to just right click on it, and at here you can see it is basically mute. So you have to just unmute this. You have to press this button, so this video will be unmute and your volume issue will be fixed. So kindly click it. As you can see here, the icon has been disappeared, and after right click you can see that it is also on unmute. So it is now unmute, so you can watch this video with volume as well. So if you like my video, so kindly share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.